my name is Tessa. In case you guys have never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. Today I'm coming at you guys with a dumbbell circuit for the legs and the core, so pretty much full body, you know, which is always awesome. It's only going to take us 4 minutes. I'm going to put on a fun song and we're going to do this together. So yeah, if you don't have dumbbells, you can just hold some water bottles, hold books, you know, you can even do it without weights. But of course, adding weights is going to increase your results. So I do recommend. I'll have some link down below. But yeah, guys, let's do this together.
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. Tell the world or write a book when I'm finished. I should thank your mama, yeah. Look at what she made. Sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it more than I want to. I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to. You won't catch me interested, I'm way too selective, but you're catching my interest and it's working so effective. Got me seeing colors Picasso couldn't paint. You pull me deep and rapture me, leave me no restraint. And I should thank your mama. Oh, look what she made. Lord, I'm sweating you so badly. I'm in summer with no rain. Yeah, I want it more than I want to. I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'll be receiving everything I want from you. Yeah, I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want to. Usually got way too much pride, but for you I put it aside. 'Cause I can't see you with nobody else. It would eat me up alive. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. It would eat me up. You know that. Baby, you know that it would eat me up. Hey, I want it more than I want to. Yeah, I want it. Tell me what I'm supposed to do. You got me on my knees begging, pleading, praying I'm receiving everything I want from you. I want it. Don't you know I want it more than I want
And that's it, guys. I hope that you did it, because if you did do it, then I know that you're definitely feeling it, and that's awesome. I love you guys so much. I'd really appreciate your support on Instagram, YouTube, all of that good stuff. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. I don't know why I'm wiggling so much. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.